Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video, and in this quick video I will show you how you can purchase Solana on the Revolut app. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, consider supporting the channel by checking out our Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. So let's get started. So once you open up your Revolut app, you will be on this screen right here. So from here, take a look at the bottom right corner and click on the crypto option. Once you're on your crypto tab, here you can see your whole crypto portfolio and the crypto assets that you currently own. So from here, go to the Discover tab right here and simply scroll down to the bottom. Once you're on the bottom of the tab, you will see Solana cryptocurrency right here. So simply click on Solana, or tap I guess. And then you will be redirected on the buy and sell page, on which you can see a detailed Solana graph through time. And you can also set a different time period to view it right here. So from here, simply click this buy button right here and input the amount of Solana that you want to purchase. Also, if you click on these three horizontal lines right here, you can see different types of orders. So you can place a market order, which will be filled immediately, so an order on the current Solana price. You can set up a recurring order, so a recurring buy order, let's say every day at a certain time or once a month. You can also set up a stop order, so a buy order when a certain price is reached. So let's say that you want to purchase Solana at $200, you can set a buy order at that price. Also a limit order, which allows you to buy a certain price or lower. But in this case, we will just go for the usual market order at the current price. So let's type in the amount of Solana that we want to purchase. And then simply click review order right here. So I currently don't have enough funds to purchase this amount of Solana, but Revolut also has minimum amount required, so I can't purchase only $2 of Solana, which I currently have. But once you click review order, another screen will load with all the order information, on which you simply need to click confirm order. And once you click confirm order, your order will be filled immediately and your currency converted to Solana. So that's how you can purchase Solana using the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.